Alright, this is Grand Prairie. Got a little roof leak over there. Patch job need to be done. Here's the front. The doors are 36 right there. So we gotta get that replaced. Front window. Around this front window. Either plexiglass or just a new window. So this is a 36 left and swing. Paint the trim as well. The whole house needs flooring. We'll probably go with tile. Speaking of which, we got to get a foundation guy over here. I would like to see that changed out. A lot of drywall repair. Plastic covering definitely needs to be removed. That light fixture need to be removed. Those definitely need to be removed. Gotta clean this thing up real good. Nice crown molding. I think that's from that roof. We definitely need to get someone over here. It's a rental, so the paneling can stay. The ceiling is pretty good condition. We can pretty much just match that color up. We just want to pretty much clean up and repaint. Seal grip. This needs to be tiled. The top of that bay area. We need a new light there. A new kitchen light. A new light there. We definitely need smoke detectors. It is a rental, so let's go ahead and get a fire extinguisher. That can be removed. Countertops, everything stay. Just need to be cleaned and caulked. Need a new stove. That needs to be switched out to a GFCF. Same deal here. Well, not necessarily there, because it's not next to water. Definitely switch that light out. Maybe go at recessed lights right there. Maybe go with the ceiling fan right there. A ceiling fan for a rental will decrease the usage of a AC system, because if in the ideal situation, if this was a flip, then I'll go with recessed like maybe 4. But if I can install a ceiling fan there and a good ceiling fan here, then that'll be less wear and tear on my AC system by the tenants. Flooring, we need something real durable and inexpensive. We need a lot of doorknobs and doors. We switch out all these doorknobs. We'll remove that. That may be for the attic doorknob there. Washer and dryer has to go. We may need a bulb right there. Ceiling fan works, but it may have to go. Definitely paint job in here. We may just keep this paint over it, I'm not sure. We got to get out of here in about a few days. We can remove the ceiling fans from burning log and put them over here at this house. Cracks in the cement. We may want to go just repair the foundation, and then we actually could tile this entire house because it is a rental. If we tile the entire house, we don't have to worry about changing the carpet every time someone moves out. That needs to be fixed right place. It's not in bad shape for a rental. Tile's in pretty good shape, so we'll keep it. You may want to switch out that fan. I think they had that cover up there. Switch up that light. I like that mirror because it is affixed to the wall. Pretty good. It's a key lock. Exterior, definitely change it up. Get rid of that lock. I guess this is the main suite. Need a light bulb there. It would be nice to have a shelving system installed in here. It seems as though someone borrowed that one. It all works. It doesn't look the best, but it works. Definitely replace that light. We need a cover for that guy up there. Now the shower head clean and caulk. All the nozzles are there. Toilet is okay. Maybe some handles, some knobs over there. Maybe refreshing that up just a bit. Definitely need some tile for this area. One, so you can count it right there. Count the squares. Each square is a square foot. We need a new white stove in here. And let's just go ahead and remove. We'll see if this dishwasher works. I don't feel like messing with it. Definitely. Oh, okay. Thank you. That's nice. Definitely clean this thing out. Car wash. I need some type of rake. Yeah, we can clean this guy out. Freshen up the paint on these rails. A couple of 2x4s. We need a couple of new ones, it looks like. Get a filter for that guy. It looks pretty new. Clean the windows up. That's it.